Right guys, so now I'm going to go down towards the M606 and I'm going to go down towards the motorways. So here, check my mirrors, signal right, reduce my speed, drop into a lower gear. I've matched my speed with my gears. I'm going less than 20, I'm in gear 2. Cancel my signal. Stay in this lane. The sign on the left is telling me to get into lane. The lane on the left is ring road only. The lane on the right is ring road M606. I'm looking ahead, looking in my mirrors, and now I'm looking at the motorway sign on the left. So I'm looking at the sign on the left. It's telling me the motorway is on my right. It's my 1, 2, 3, 4th exit. You can see it there. So I'm following the green. I'm following the blue sign. So the blue with white text is usually the motorway. The one on the left is telling you St. Luke's is also a blue sign, but it's telling you it's a non-emergency hospital. The infirmary is red, and it's telling you it's an emergency hospital. So if you, you know, bop your head or something, they'll have a look and they'll treat you, whereas St. Luke's cannot. So now I'm turning right. Now this looks like a signal control roundabout to me. That means possibly my turn could be on a red light. So check my mirrors, signal right. You can hear my signal coming on. There's a lorry very, very close to me, so it was unwise to stop. So I'm following the road round, signals on, and now I've got time to stop, so I will do. So previously I couldn't stop because there was a lorry very close to the rear of my car, potentially causing an accident, so it was unsafe to stop. This time there was nobody behind me, so it was compulsory that I stop if it was safe to do so. And looking at the conditions and the road markings, and generally speaking the clay condition that we have, it was safe for me to stop. So you can hear my signal on as I'm going round. I'm going to go down towards the motorway. So I've got my clutch down, I've got my clutch down. Now I'm at biting point, my handbrake is up, and you can hear me release my handbrake. I'm increasing my speed gently, and I can see that my light's red. Now I've looked at the floor markings and now it's gone green. Gear 1, you can hear me change gear now. Now I signal left, looking in my mirrors, making sure it's safe. Now there's 2 slip roads here, they both merge. You can hear me increasing my speed. I'm now in gear 3, 40 miles an hour. I'm increasing my speed. I'm now doing 50 and I'm going into gear 4. I'm increasing my speed, mirrors and signal, regular right mirror checks. I'm doing 60 and I'm going into gear 5. You can hear my speed and you can hear my revs come down. Cancel my signal, stay in my lane, gently adjust my speed, looking at the road conditions, making sure it's safe for me to travel up to a maximum of 70 miles an hour. And that's how you come onto the slip road, onto the M606 in Bradford. Thank you for watching, guys.